TV studio that will help shine a light on untold community stories. The creators of the local TV station Swan TV showcased their creative space at the Elysium Art Gallery in Swansea this weekend, along with their state-of-the-art equipment. The online channel is a space for voices to get heard, like Cllr, who hosts his own show, Spotlight on Disability.
It's primarily to focus on the issues that don't get covered primarily in the press on a regular basis. I talk to different groups in the community. If there's any story really that needs publicity, my show is the one that gets to air the views.
Swan TV was started by Mike Leahy, which has become much more than a TV channel, offering filming and photography courses, refugee coffee mornings and disability training.
A community hub, really, media hub. So we do a film school for kids, and now we're looking to do a film school for disabled kids. We've just been talking about that now. We've got a pilot scheme for entrepreneurship. We've got the studio here, so we invite anyone in. Come and have an interview, tell us about your hobbies or your interests, an event you've got going on. That's what we're here for.
The channel covers everything from current affairs to local events, history, as well as entertainment.
I'm proud to present my world of entertainment on Swan TV, and of course I love to promote all that's happening in the area. It's such a wonderful cultural area. There's something in the water in Swansea, Port Talbot, Neath and throughout South Wales.
With a mission to amplify local voices and bring communities together, Swan TV hopes its new studio will help even more stories find their audience. Dean Thomas-Welch, ITV News in Swansea.